Old Thomas, come in here and see what I've got. Thomas, meet Mechano. Mr. Mechano here is taking your job as mouse catcher. Are you through laughing, Tom? Then watch this. Is it okay if I laugh now, Tom? That's how it is, Tom. Progress, the machine age and stuff like that. But don't worry. Maybe you can find an old-fashioned house that needs an old-fashioned cat.